Yo, what's up everybody? It's Sofian. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of data, and trust me, it's way more exciting than it sounds. We're talking data analysis and machine learning, the tools that are literally shaping the future. No worries, we're keeping it super practical. In just a few minutes, you'll grasp the essentials. How to wrangle data, make it look amazing, and even teach machines to predict the future. Whether you're completely new to this or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's unlock the power of data together. Welcome to your quick guide on mastering data analysis and machine learning. In just a few steps, you'll learn how to handle data, visualize it, and build predictive models. All right, first things first, we need to get a handle on our data. Imagine you have a giant spreadsheet. That's where Pandas comes in. It's like your data's best friend, helping you organize it all neatly. We'll use Pandas to import our data, sneak a peek at the first few rows, and get a feel for what we're working with. Then we'll call in NumPy, the math whiz of the Python world. NumPy helps us calculate key stats like the average or the spread of our data. Think of it as summarizing a whole book into a few key sentences. And don't worry, both Pandas and NumPy are super easy to use, even if you're not a coding ninja. Now let's make our data visually pop, because let's be real, staring at spreadsheets all day isn't exactly inspiring. Enter Matplotlib, our go-to tool for crafting stunning charts and graphs. We can whip up line plots to track trends, bar charts to compare categories, and so much more. But wait, there's more. For those who crave next-level visuals, Seaborn's got your back. Seaborn takes our graphs to the next dimension, helping us unearth hidden patterns and relationships in our data. We're talking heat maps that reveal correlations, histograms that show data distribution. It's like giving your data a VIP makeover. This is where things get really interesting. Machine learning is like teaching a computer to learn from data without explicitly programming every single rule. It's like showing a computer 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs, and it figures out how to tell them apart on its own. We'll use Scikit-learn, a powerful library that's like the Swiss Army knife of machine learning. First, we'll give our data a little spa treatment, cleaning it up and preparing it for the model. Think of it as getting your ingredients prepped before you start cooking. Then we'll split our data into training and testing sets, kind of like giving our model some practice problems before the big test. Finally, we'll train a model, like logistic regression, and see how well it predicts the outcome. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by data. Text data is everywhere. Emails, social media posts, you name it. Natural language processing, or NLP, is all about teaching computers to understand and analyze this treasure trove of text. We'll start by giving our text a little cleanup, removing unnecessary characters and stop words, those common words that don't add much meaning. Think of it as decluttering your inbox. Next up, we'll transform our text into numbers, because that's the language computers understand best. We'll use a technique called TF-IDF to create vectors that capture the essence of our text. Finally, we'll build a model that can analyze sentiment. Is the text positive, negative, or neutral? This has tons of applications, from understanding customer reviews to detecting online hate speech. And there you have it. We've covered a ton of ground, from wrangling data with Pandas to predicting the future with machine learning. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of data science is vast and constantly evolving, but the best way to learn is by doing. So dive in, experiment, and don't be afraid to break things, virtually of course. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. If you enjoyed this crash course, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tech deep dives. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to data analysis and machine learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.